morning. It's about 11:30 in the morning and I'm just at Bristol Airport on my way to VidCon at the XL Arena in London with GoPro. So I'm on my way to Munich now to pick up the GoPro Defender and then I'll be driving it from Munich to London. So this will be behind the scenes, like part one of what I get up to, what happens on a day-to-day as a promoter for GoPro. Just landed in Munich airport and I'm on my way to find Esteban, who's got the Defender already, and then we're gonna make tracks on the road. Evening, we've made it to a hotel just outside Frankfurt. I haven't really been able to film much of this evening. My flight got delayed by an hour, so it's a bit of a rush, and then it's another day on the road tomorrow, but hopefully I'll be able to film a bit more tomorrow. So it's the end of day one, and I will see you in the morning. Morning, we're just about to head back onto the road to head to the channel to get the ferry. Just leaving the hotel. It's quite nice. The toy that we'll be driving in. I think Esteban is driving first. And a little update, we've just arrived in Dunkirk in France. So we've just popped off here because obviously it's quite a famous beach. So we've just had to stop off here and then we're going to carry on to catch the ferry. Just give you a look around. Just says to request the right documents. I think we should be alright. We're in. We've got tickets. We're just waiting to get through security to get on the ferry.
We have 20 minutes
to catch the ferry.
No, half an hour.
So we're waiting to get on the ferry, but first we've got to go through UK border control. Oh, I think so. Well, I think we're about to go in now. We're in the queue. We're going on the ferry. Bon voyage, France! We are back in Britain! Woo!
You are back.
I'm back in Britain. Just arrived at a hotel just on the other side of Dover. It's been a little bit difficult to try and get content because obviously we've only been driving. I didn't really want to bore you all with footage of just the road, so try and get a little bit more footage tomorrow when we get to the XL Arena in London. So this morning we've got a bit of time to kill, so I thought I'd go for a little walk to see if I can find the beach down on the front. Just making my way down to see if I can find one. Looks like we've made it to the beach. So as you can see, I found the beach behind me. Yeah, I'm still getting used to trying to talk to this camera. It's a little daunting, but I usually like being behind it and just filming, not being in front of it, but I'm gonna try and get used to it. Boom, we're back at the truck and we're about to head off now to London for VidCon. We've made it. Did we? Made it. I think it's this one. We've made it to VidCon, but we don't know where we're going. Got our pieces of paper to get our pass, but we don't know where we're going, do we? No idea. Let's go get our passes. That early. Hall is still empty. It's that sick crib.
No reason why.
Darker. They are.
Because you don't.
Can you please follow me? Do it for the gram.
We're in B&M Bargains looking for adapters for something.
But like, I have to leave the camera so high to be at your face level.
We're off to Argos.
Sammy, my lady! Hey. But I it's just electronics, it's everything. Technology.
AJ's hands.
Nicola Adams, boxer.
Oh, easy.
He's got big. Jade Jones.
Katie Jones.
Put yours in the
Jade Jones, she's from by me.
Who is this?
Anthony Joshua.
Oh. I'm doing it small.
Morning. I didn't really get to film much last night because we were quite busy of just like wandering around trying to find out what goes where. That'll wrap up the first part of what's been happening. Hopefully, if you stay tuned for the next part, that'll be a bit more of what's actually going to happen, like with the setup and stuff like that. Because this afternoon, I think at 12 o'clock we can go into the main hall and start setting up our activation zone. So stay tuned for the next part. You'll be able to see what actually happens then. If you'd like this, subscribe and hit the like button, but hopefully there'll be better content coming soon, so see you in part 2.